JJ with MaxTrac Suspension, and today we're talking about kit number K944385VRL. This is our 8-inch lift kit with 4-link suspension for the 2023 newer Ford F250 and F350 four-wheel drive trucks. This kit is comprised of 6 boxes, and we package it up this way, not only one for weight, but 2 is so we can mix and match parts depending on what you're looking to purchase. Because we offer this kit in a 4-inch, a 6-inch, or an 8-inch lift with numerous shock options and with either radius arm brackets or with 4 links. So first box over here is going to be our 8-inch coils, big heavy box, so that's boxed alone. Next we have our 4-link arms, which are forged from aluminum and have our fabricated brackets in each one. Over here we have all the other main components from track bar bracket, pitman arm, sway bar drop down brackets, and all your mounting hardware. Right here in the middle is going to be your rear box kit, which comprises of blocks, U-bolts, and brackets for brake line brackets. And last, we're going to have the box of all 4 reservoir shocks. So in our next segment, we're going to be unboxing this, laying it out, and showing you all the parts individually. As you can see, we now have our 8-inch Ford Super Duty kit for the 2023 F250, F350 four-wheel drives unboxed. There's a lot of components here, but it's a thorough kit, so all these components are needed. Starting off, we have our massive single rate coils. This is what holds the weight and rides beautifully with these diesel trucks. Next, we have pitman arm. Forged steel, drops down your steering for correct driving angles. That also matches along with our 1/4-inch steel drop down track bar bracket, which bolts on exactly like the factory track bar bracket did. Rounding out the rest of the components, we have sway bar drop down brackets, we have bump stop drop down brackets, ABS brake line drop down brackets, all of which bolt on just like the factory did, and a thorough hardware kit to make it for an easy bolt-on installation. Lastly, in the front components, we do also offer a drop-down steering stabilizer, so you can run the factory steering stabilizer if you'd like. And if not, we also offer a dual steering stabilizer upgrade that can be purchased separately. Going to the pride and joy of what we have in this kit is we have a first-of-its-kind forged aluminum 4-link. As you can see, is massive compared to most steel tubular design. At one end, we have our spherical chromoly rod end and a fully adjustable sleeve, so link length and caster can be adjusted with these fully bolted up onto the truck. Each gets cinched down with pinch bolts and with a full-size jam nut. And these links get attached to the frame using our drop-down 4-link brackets to help lower the control arms for a flatter, smoother ride, and a bolt-on application right into the factory radius arm bracket with a support in the back to the transmission crossmember. Next, we're going to show you our new line of Vulcan series reservoir shocks. Aluminum body, mono tube, smooth on-road, comfortable off-road, and we offer them in a wide application for all of our different lifts, in an IFP, non-reservoir, and with reservoir. And as you can see, this one's a reservoir for this 8-inch kit. Last, we're going to move all the way to the other side here, where we're going to round it out with the rear of the kit. The rear kit is comprised with lift blocks, so you're going to remove your factory lift block. And that's why this is so tall, is because you're also supplementing the factory lift block with the extra lift for a level stance. Longer U-bolts, and then brake line brackets and hardware. Very simple, very smooth, and very bolt-on. Thank you. So this is going to conclude the unboxing of kit number 944385VRL. As you can see, it's a complete, thorough, elegant kit that is going to bolt on very easy and ride great with a level stance. I want to let you guys know that we also offer this kit in a 4-inch lift and 6-inch lift with options of 4 links, as you see here, or a more price-conscious option of doing a radius arm drop instead of the 4 links. We also offer all 3 of these kits with either MaxTrac shocks or Vulcan shocks, or this kit can be purchased without shocks so that you can choose your own shock that MaxTrac may not offer. So come check us out at MaxTracSuspension.com and look for our Super Duty kits. Thank you.